Yeah, guys, it seems like he's doing okay. This is a male red admiral, but he's kind of messed up once again. Doesn't respond a lot when you touch him. This is a butterfly. It gets its last energy before it dies. And then it starts to shake. You can see that he's not crawling so well. And he's just staying still. See how he's trying to move? I even touch him. Anytime when you touch a butterfly in its thorax or its head, it quickly responds. That means it closes its wings like that on you. When it wants its wings open, it usually closes its wings. But I caught this butterfly. It was an okay butterfly at first. Then he just started responding unexpectedly and then start breaking its wings down. I'm going to show you the repaired part of his wing, guys. This is where I repaired it. I don't know if you can see it because he's flapping around a lot. Now you can see it. See the end part? I don't know if you can see that, guys, but that's where he have died. Broke his wing at. Anytime when I touch him, he just quickly respawn. Make sure I don't accidentally smash him. Maybe that's what's wrong because I caught him in the net and I accidentally hit him. Anytime I grab him, he quickly respawns. So I'm going to go ahead and put him up, guys. Let him rest. Just make sure I don't smash him. He obviously just fell to the floor. Now you can usually grab your butterfly, but you want to grab them real safely. And you just want to let them crawl in. And you could give them a little go so you get a little more riled up and go in there. Looks almost the same as the other one. And he has a different top wing. One of the ruddy dagger wings or question mark butterflies. It could have been an Eastern Kama. But a ruddy dagger wing looks the same on the outside. But it's just a little more larger. My other butterfly is at the top right here. You can see her. She's just chilling. Okay, guys. I'll see you later. Okay, bye-bye.